U.S. sanctions North Korean bankers and firms tied to crypto laundering. North Korea. United States. Author. Hongji Feng. Author. Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a reporter who covers crypto, finance, and tech. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. November 4, 2025. The U.S. Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control announced sanctions on 8 people and 2 entities in North Korea connected to laundering the proceeds from cyber activity and information technology worker schemes. The action was detailed in a Treasury release published on November 4 and targets channels that have moved stolen digital assets and contractor income through dollar rails, raising compliance risk for exchanges, brokers, custodians, and wallet providers that might touch those funds. The release links the activity to weapons programs and cites a recent multilateral monitoring report on sanctions evasion through cyber theft and information technology contracting. The update also places new data on the record for screening, including cryptocurrency addresses tied to a previously designated bank, who was designated and how the networks operated. OFAC designated North Korean bankers Jang Kook-kol and Ho Jong-sun for managing funds on behalf of First Credit Bank, including $5.3 million in cryptocurrency. Korea Mangyongdae Computer Technology Company was designated for operating information technology worker delegations in China that used proxies to move funds, and Yu Yong-soo was designated for acting on behalf of the company. Ryujong Credit Bank was designated for conducting financial services that supported sanctions avoidance between China and North Korea, including remittances, laundering, and transactions for overseas workers. Additional designations covered representatives of DPRK financial institutions located in China and Russia, with the Treasury describing transfers in US dollars, Chinese yuan, and euros, as well as roles tied to previously sanctioned banks and front companies. The release cites more than $3 billion stolen over 3 years, primarily in cryptocurrency, connecting cyber theft and information technology income to the same financing channels. North Korean state-sponsored hackers steal and launder money to fund the regime's nuclear weapons program, said John K. Hurley, Under-Secretary of the Treasury for Terrorism and Financial Intelligence. By generating revenue for Pyongyang's weapons development, these actors directly threaten U.S. and global security. Treasury will continue to pursue the facilitators and enablers behind these schemes to cut off the DPRK's illicit revenue streams, he said. What comes after new sanctions on North Korea? Under the measures, property and interests in property of designated parties within the United States or controlled by U.S. persons are blocked, and entities owned 50% or more by blocked persons are also blocked. Transactions involving such property are generally prohibited unless authorized or exempt, which places the onus on crypto businesses to confirm counterparties and to halt flows that touch listed names or related addresses. The Treasury warned that financial institutions and other persons engaging with designated parties may face sanctions or enforcement. The agency also reiterated that removal from the list is possible under established procedures, which preserves a formal pathway for petitions while current restrictions remain in effect. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Why is crypto down today? November 3, 2025 U.S. Senators push to finalize crypto market bill as shutdown standoff deepens. Report Bitcoin price prediction. Is Kiyosaki's crash warning the catalyst for a major BTC price movement? Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Aster by the end of 2025. 23 hours ago. By Tim Hackey. Altcoin News. Why is crypto down today? November 4, 2025. 12 hours ago. By Amin Ayan. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Rich Dad Poor Dad author warns of November crash, but ETH could soar while everything else crashes. 1 day ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 13 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today, Top New Crypto Coins. 5 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best Crypto Presales to Invest in 2025. Presale Crypto List. 9 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 8 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 20 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. 7 hours ago. By Ben Beto.